Overmolded connectors can be custom designed with different features in cable, molding model, molding materials, and color. We are able to accommodate almost any special specifications or requirements. Connectors' overmolding design can be fully protected to ensure reliable connections for more longevity and durability. Also improved the quality, look, and functionality of many electrical cables. We experienced in building molded cables with overmolded power connectors, such as mini-fit, micro-fit, mate and lock, etc. Also, the main advantages of EDGAR is to provide rapid in-house engineering and tooling prototyping support service, including design and development, CAD and 3D documentation,